weekend with me. Our first stop is Buc-ee's. If you haven't been to Buc-ee's, you need to go there. It is one of the largest, has the cleanest restroom. It has some of the greatest food. So here is Buc-ee's. We stop every time we go to Galveston. You got to experience Buc-ee's for your own. Fresh fruit, food. The breakfast is phenomenal. Shop till you drop. Buc-ee's. Make sure you go and check out Buc-ee's. Again, food is phenomenal. Snacks, great. Highly recommend Buc-ee's. Clean restroom. Food, drinks.
All right, come with
Gotta
me
get your basket and fill it up with snacks.
So
for the
we
road.
grabbed our basket, and they have so much in here.
Buc-ee's highly recommend. So you're spending a weekend with me. It was a busy weekend. So again, here's our second stop. It's Galveston. And I really enjoyed the beach. We do this as a quick getaway. Remembrance of my father was also Father's Day weekend. So here's my dad who passed away in March. And it was just a great weekend, great day to reflect, refresh. It's also Juneteenth week. Again, here's my dad. Me and just took pictures, just making sure his soul is at peace. Good. I'm also grieving too, so good weekend. Again, this is Galveston. So if you haven't checked out Galveston, you definitely need to check it out. About an hour away from Houston. All right, so you're spending a weekend with Tristan. We went to Buc-ee's. We went to Galveston. This is the beach. Again, great weekend. I said an excellent weekend. Make sure you check out my top 5 places to visit here in Houston. Again, this was a great weekend. The weekend still hasn't ended, so make sure you follow me online on my YouTube channel, TJ Inspires. You're spending a weekend with me. And that was our day trip. And look who is in the picture, Demi. Yes, this is my niece, and she snuck her way over here. Everybody loves Demi. Again, make sure you follow me online on my YouTube channel. This was a weekend with me. Again, YouTube TJ Inspires.